In today's fast-paced automotive industry, flexibility and efficiency are key. Our innovative fixture switching system is designed with adaptability in mind. It allows for seamless switching between different vehicle models, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum productivity. With online fixture switching, there is no need to halt the production line. Transitions happen in real time, keeping your operations running smoothly. Whether you're producing a single model or managing a mixed production batch, the system adapts to your needs. Fully compatible with robotic automation, the fixture switching can be done without human intervention, boosting both speed and precision. This smart system enables manufacturers to quickly adjust to market demand fluctuations. Whether it's peak or off-season, switching to the right model is fast and efficient, eliminating idle production lines and maximizing utilization. Instead of investing in new production lines for each model, you only need to purchase the corresponding fixtures. This greatly reduces setup costs and simplifies production expansion. Compared to traditional trolley-based systems, our design significantly reduces space usage. The moving fixture design is compact, allowing better use of factory floor space. To summarize, our fixture switching system brings flexible production for multiple vehicle types, real-time switching without production stops, cost-effective model expansion, efficient space utilization, and full support for robotic automation. Experience the future of smart manufacturing, where efficiency meets adaptability.